Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find where your map sensor is located and how to replace the map sensor as well. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish guys. Also, we're going to cover some other information that can save you quite a bit of money on that engine, so make sure you stay with us until the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on, but if you have the 2.4 engine from year 2010 to 2015, the procedure should be the same. Now looking at the intake manifold guys, the map sensor actually measures the vacuum in the intake manifold, so it can calculate how much fuel, air the car needs and all that stuff. Now the map sensor guys is located at a very convenient location on that car. The place is super convenient. So if you look at it, it's that map sensor right here. Check it out. Now you can go ahead and disconnect the wire as well, but in that case I will need to go from underneath. Let me see if I can actually get it here. You need to push the wire in. You can lift that tooth by hand a little bit and pull that wire out guys, but that wire will most likely be stuck. So even though it's a convenient location, let me just grab it with the other hand quick. I'm gonna pass the camera to see if I can grab it, and I pulled it out. Never grab for the wires guys, because you can break them. And now if you need to remove it from that point on, it's pretty simple. 10mm socket, you can see, and we're going to go ahead and get that bolt loose. The moment you get the 10mm bolt loose, you practically are ready to go. You can do it by hand with the socket only. You can see it's right there guys. Perfect. Now we should be able to get the bolt out. This is the bolt guys. Now the map sensor has one O-ring that prevents it from coming off, so it may be stuck. You need to turn it a little bit. And let's see how we're going to pull it out. It's a little bit inconvenient, but if you get a prying tool you can actually get it out even a little bit easier. So small screwdriver, right there as well. On the side, just careful not to break your intake manifold guys. It's a little bit limited room, but you get the idea. Let's see now. Almost, not yet. So let me just grab it with my hand here. That's stuck. That hasn't been removed in forever, yeah. So I'll try to get it with this hand now. It's really complicated trying to get a good angle and video at the same time. So what do we have here now specifically guys? I got the prying tool, trying to do that now. So I want to go ahead, I'm trying to get in the way. No, that thing is super stuck, incredibly stuck. Something so simple sometimes, it takes so much effort, guys, to remove it. So let me see if I can break it loose and I'll explain what we did. So we got a person underneath with a screwdriver, guys, between the intake manifold and the map sensor. Okay, it's still not coming out. 1 second now. I'm gonna go on top at the same time, both of us. Okay. Oh, that's it. I got it, guys. Now that's the sensor. Okay, right here. What is so stuck, guys? Okay, you start to wonder, right? It's that O-ring right here, guys. It is so stuck, it hasn't been removed in forever, and you can see as a result, guys, it makes it really hard to get out. Make sure you don't damage your intake manifold, make sure you don't drop anything inside, but this is the map sensor, guys. Practically, that's how you guys remove it. Replacement is exactly in reverse order we took it apart. If you guys have any questions, any recommendations, let us know. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.